The downside of using Canva for your YouTube thumbnails. As you know, Canva is a popular graphic design tool that allows users to create stunning visuals with ease. However, there are some drawbacks to using Canva for your YouTube thumbnails that you need to be aware of. In this video, we'll be discussing the potential pitfalls of relying on Canva and offer some alternatives that can help you create engaging and effective thumbnails for your YouTube video. Part 1. Limited customization options. While Canva offers a wide range of templates and designs, its customization options are often limited. This means that you may not be able to create a truly unique thumbnail that sets your video apart from others. Additionally, some of the design elements that Canva offers may not be suitable for your specific video or brand. For example, the font style or color may clash with your brand's overall aesthetic, which can lead to a disjointed and inconsistent image for your YouTube channel. Part 2. Low-quality images. Canva allows you to upload and use your own images in your designs, but the quality of those images may be compromised. When you upload an image to Canva, the platform compresses it to optimize the file size. As a result, the image quality may be reduced, which can make your thumbnail look pixelated or blurry. This can be especially problematic if your thumbnail features text or small details, which may become difficult to read or see in a low-quality image. Part 3. Limited video-specific features. While Canva is a versatile tool for creating graphics, it may not have all the features you need to create a thumbnail that's optimized for YouTube videos. Part 4. Copyright and licensing issues. Using images or graphics from Canva may also raise potential copyright and licensing issues. While Canva offers a wide range of graphics and images to choose from, these assets may be protected by copyright laws or have licensing restrictions. Using these assets without permission or proper licensing can lead to legal issues down the line. Additionally, using generic or overused graphics from Canva can make your thumbnail look uninspired and unoriginal, which can turn viewers off. A lot of people like to go on and just choose a template and replace the wording. But the problem with that, it makes your video unoriginal, which can prevent your viewer from clicking. Part 5. Alternatives to Canva for YouTube thumbnails. If you're looking for alternatives to Canva for creating YouTube thumbnails, there are several options available. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are popular tools used by professional designers, but they can be complex and difficult to learn. Canva's main competitor is PicMonkey, which offers similar features but with more customization options and a focus on YouTube-specific designs. Another option is to hire a professional graphic designer to create your thumbnails for you, which can ensure a high-quality and unique thumbnail that's tailored to your brand and video content. In conclusion, while Canva is a useful tool for creating graphics, it may not be the best option for creating YouTube thumbnails. Its limited customization options, low-quality images, and lack of video-specific features can hinder your ability to create effective thumbnails that attract viewers to your videos. Additionally, using graphics and images from Canva can lead to copyright and licensing issues. If you're serious about creating engaging and effective thumbnails for your YouTube videos, it may be worth exploring alternative options like PicMonkey or hiring a professional graphic designer. The only things that makes a thumbnail beautiful is the uniqueness of it, and Canva templates won't really help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.